What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Token Drew, and I'm here with another edition of Packed and Unpacked, a series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cool shit. So today, it's not a blind unboxing. Well, it's been a long time since I had one of these. It's a regular old unboxing. My fiance got me this for Father's Day, and it's one of the very few figures I do not have. She got me a big ass Galactus. Comes with lights, powerful phrases, 19 inches, and comes with the Silver Surfer. Behold, check the shit out. It's pretty dope. I'm stoked about this. I've been wanting Galactus for a long time. And now I finally have him. So, we're gonna get right into this. Once I figure out, here we go, up here at the top. All right, so, got myself a nice little new knife to start cutting into things. Sorry if you hear that humming noise, I'm sure you do. It's my fan and air conditioner. I'll turn it down for low in these videos. I ain't turning that shit off. This is the attic. Fucking hot. Let's get into this. This is an older figure. Dare I say it's damn near a toy. But it's one of those things where it's like, I always needed him for my collection. And he has a going rate of like $500 online. That's just a bit out of budget for me. Just a bit. Now granted, I've got some things being made right now that are really pricey, but I'm paying those things off. It's not all just a one-time thing. Oh man, he's big. So, here he is out the box. And this is the only way you can get Galactus. He has to be big. You know, he has to be. And he comes with Silver Surfer. You know, you really can't beat that. Silver Surfer came out. Check him out. I'm gonna get myself a proper one though, because I need one that's shiny. You know. But anyway, he's highly posable. He has this thing that's wrapped around the board, this plastic piece. It's kind of keeping him on there. And honestly, I'm just gonna keep it on there for real. It's like that G.I. Joe build where like his torso is very movable and yeah. Yeah, so there's Silver Surfer, okay? Alright, but we're here for Galactus.
And not only keep it 1,000, live like I'm unstoppable. Ain't nobody in the world ever topping you.
Yeah. I've waited a long time for him to be in the collection. Long time. He is heavy. He is big. And he talks. Very dope figure. So they have his hands in the way that he is and he just appears over shit. You know. I like the detail in him. He seems to stand up pretty well. Personally, I would have had one hand in a fist, but whatever. And this is an interesting version of him. This isn't the Galactus that I'm used to. It's like a, I don't know, maybe from the Ultimate Universe. But he says lines that he says in the comics. Yeah, so this is really dope. 19-inch Galactus. I'm gonna take pictures of him and Silver Surfer and I'm gonna set his ass up. Probably what I'm gonna do is balance Silver Surfer on him. Something like that. That's the only way I can think of. It's Probably gonna go back yonder with Dr. Doom. Or maybe even over here with Phoenix. We'll see what's up. Alright, anyway, I'm out.
First hit is blunt. I'm the man, I'm the legend, I'm a certified beast. Stoned into me, this track another feast. Not a deity, but I keep hoes on their knees. Fuck God means, I'm a fucking king. Go through hoes faster than a motherfucking me. And I ain't talking shit, nigga, hit a damn thing. Hip hop prize fighter in the streets of my ring. Bitch, you won't say no, why you gotta trip? No need for the trap when it's tracks that I flip. I'm the underdog, go hard in the shit. Each beat again, bitch, I throw hard in the shit. The harder the kick, the harder the drop. The farther I drop, the farther I rise between terrorists and cops. Haters and thoughts, and every time I wake up is a dance survive. No lie, niggas know I keep it 100, go Mayweather on the track. Doubling punches, fuck with real niggas, even the kids never frontin'. My lyrics are platinum, when I spit, I'm stunting. You got fire, nigga, I'm a lava spitter. Flow go to your chest like this is Spider, nigga. Got homies, I got a whole armada, nigga. Blow your mind like Luke, I'm your father, nigga. Got too many to name and do my call out. All you gotta know, my crew, we ball out. Dylan ass nigga got crime, never all out. When I finish the shits in his back to fall out. Name Drew the legend, super villain of this rap scene. Smoking truth on the ones and twos, featuring the lyrical track fiend. Damn right, I'm unstoppable. Ain't nobody in the world ever topping you.
What's up, everybody? We are back. And here he is, standing over here with Dr. Doom. About a good, like, 4 inches maybe taller than Dr. Doom. And I got Silver Surfer down there all small looking. I'll get a proper one, don't worry. But yeah. And let's check him out. Yeah. That's what's up, boy. Finally got Galactus in the collection. It's been a long time coming. But here he is. The gift from my fiance. I'm super excited about this. Anyway, I'm your boy Token Drew. Live up, game on, and smoke out. And I'm out this bitch. Thanks for watching. Peace.
On that trap shit, and that shit hot called assassin. Everyone say my bars go long and hard, so I guess competition is